Hey everyone, we're here today at BD. We're going to be installing our LS manifolds onto this mid-aughts GMC in front of us. We actually have both the factory and the new one in front of us here on the table here. I'll show you guys a couple of differences. Just straight out of the box, you can tell ours is wonderfully brand new. And we got this nice thick flange here. This mates to the side of the cylinder head. And you can see it's much thicker, a lot more rigid. We have our heat shield mounting. It's been shifted outwards on the BD manifold to deal with the extra thickness that we've added, as well as we have nice thick flanges at the collector as well.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
We have some new BD studs here on the collector side that we're including with our fastener kit. You can also see when you look at the front side of the flange, there's these nice machine pockets for all your fasteners to sit in, keep everything nice and square, nice and tight.
You have a tight body. Yes, you are tight like a tiger.
So one of the best things about the BD kit is we include all brand new fasteners and gaskets for the manifold, as well as our spacers, which we use for that extended length fastener to allow for that extra strength within the stud. And we have a large spacer here. This is for your dipstick tube mounting to make sure that it's offset a little bit to allow for that extra thickness. Alrighty, so we want to get this manifold into the truck here, and then we're going to slide the gasket into place just behind it, and then we'll thread the studs in. So luckily on the passenger side it's a little bit of an easier handle. Get it nicely placed in there, and we'll grab the gasket. And it's best to start it with just 2 bolts and then thread the others in after the fact. As you can see, the new manifold is a pretty straightforward install. Standard person can probably get this in and out about 3 to 4 hours depending on how rusty or how broken the bolts are. But the big thing you want to know about these bad boys is this customer came in, he had a broken stud on the back here. This is going to fix that issue with the new BD fasteners in there with the extended threads and those spacers. It's going to have a much more durable, much more long-lasting product. He's going to be able to tow, no more cracked bolts, no more leaking exhaust. He's going to be able to drive this, tow with all the peace of mind.